Hello again, this is Ben Canning, and I'm going to wrap up our collection. So, this is an outro lecture. I know it may look similar to the intro, but you still need to take notes on this one. It still counts. It's actually a little different than the intro, simply because it's kind of the conclusion or the summary of what this collection was about. You need 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, a 1 to 2 sentence summary, and you need to do the follow up questions on Google Forms. So, we were in this collection looking at the effect of acceleration on velocity. The big idea that we were kind of working towards was how do we describe and predict the effects of pushes and pulls on the motion of something. So in the previous unit, we talked about just what is motion and defining it. And in this unit, we began to look at how, when motion changes, how can we describe that, or what values can we assign to that. So with acceleration, we can now describe the effects of a push or pull on motion. We can't necessarily predict what a push or pull does, but we can at least describe the after effects of it. So using acceleration, like I said, we can now describe how an object's velocity is changing, and this lets us predict something's motion in the future or what it was in the past. Which means we can now begin to predict how fast this snowboarder will be moving when he hits the ground over here if we know enough information about his acceleration, or we can predict how much he's going to slow down on his path up. That's it for this one. So 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, so 1 to 2 sentence summary, and follow-up questions on the Google form, please.